To this shit. Goddamn. Cancel out my ex, I put a line through that bitch. I like all my S's with 2 lines through them shits.
But just imagine if we got in a game with him, I'd like come in my pants.
Yeah, cause we.
Oh,
I fulfilled my. I feel.
No...
I killed FaZe Rain.
Is that actually him though?
Yo, FaZe Rain is a modder.
It's not FaZe. Oh my god.
Carrier down.
You mod, you suck.
What? Remember FaZe Rain when you and Eric were in a game?
Brian.
I hit that collateral. I hit a collateral.
Is this guy
Collateral?
you?
I hit a collateral.
I am third with
Dude,
when
no, they
Brian.
don't actually play this
Mom,
game.
get the camera.
Search and destroy.
You know they don't. Oh shit.
He knows if he puts FaZe Rain as his name, he's gonna get a whole bunch of fucking shit every time he goes into the lobby. Everybody's gonna be like,
Nah,
oh,
I
the
don't
argument
know.
that we're having.
I don't know.
Nobody saw my collateral.
Oh, fucking hell, dude.
Charges dropped.
Stitched him up.
No, FaZe.
Dang!
He has an aimbot.
Oh,
No, he's not.
Mom, did the
FaZe Rain, you're
camera.
good.
If he posts a video, then he might.
hey, yo, man, you.
No, he could
No,
play for
he's not
fun.
real.
Good.
It's not real.
You don't know that.
Oh my god, he didn't
Because
search
they don't
off
play
me.
this game anymore.
Yes, they do.
Fuck.
What
fucking
game
high?
would they play? What game would
They
they
don't
play?
play this game.
Neutralize the
I
Yes,
don't
they
play
already
this
do.
game.
They
Watch
play it every
this
fucking
game.
day.
acquired.
Do you want him to get on Ghost? That's fucking
Dude,
disgusting.
go into Instagram and his dream car is a Black Ops 2 car. Go on his Instagram.
We lost the bomb.
Got him.
He's gone.
So FaZe Rain,
Yeah.
he has to have an aimbot,
Man.
Good job, Derpy.
or he's
I know.
just that good. Because
No, it
I'm
isn't.
honestly impressed.
I'll look him up.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Same.
That's FaZe Rain.
Oh my god, FaZe.
Does he have an Instagram?
Damn.
Oh shit, nigga. Oh, it's me, FaZe Rain! I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scream. Oh, I love you! Yeah! Yeah, let's do this! That bomb. Yeah, defuse it. Defuse that shit. Defuse that shit. Yeah,
Bomb
yeah.
offline.
Oh, yeah.
Good job.
Yeah, he was helping me! He was helping me!
Wait.
FaZe Rain likes me!
Yeah, that is.
Hey, is
That obviously
there's
means
one
that he
question.
likes me, right?
is Rain Canadian?
Because he was humping me, right?
Oh,
Yeah,
then
yeah,
is
of
this
course.
fucking
Yeah, of
FaZe
course.
Rain?
Search and destroy.
Dude, that
Of
means
course.
he wants to fuck.
Yeah.
That's
the
exactly
objective.
what it means.
Call of Duty logic for put me, like, let me get your asshole right now.
Hold on, I'm gonna get in phase when I hit this. Kill him. Hold on, I'm gonna. Oh, I hit it. Logan, are you gonna be in phase after this?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see this. Let's see how good this is. and then he'll be in.
Oh,
If this is
recruit
this is a
Oh,
good.
oh my
Oh.
god, oh my god.
Please.
Oh, it's a black scope. He's in phase.
He's in FaZe. He's obviously in FaZe.
This is
Dude.
FaZe.
Dude, he has
FaZe
to be in
Ghost.
phase.
FaZe
After
Ghost.
that one, he has to be in phase.
FaZe fucking
Hold
good.
on,
Ghost,
if I hit
I
this
like
tomahawk,
FaZe
am I in phase? I hit it! Can I be in phase now?
Oh, I got it across the map. Quickscope.
No, I don't want to. It's one. No. Laying down. Okay.
I
shit.
bombed on him.
Hunter killer drone inbound.
FaZe, protect me.
No. He's upstairs. What the hell?
No, he's right here. He jumped out. I'm using him for protection.
What the
One of them's upstairs. Get the hell out, kid.
Let's go. Let's go. It was clear.
No, his face still on?
MQ-27 Dragonfire ready for
Oh,
deployment.
me and phase. What's up? What's up again? Here, turn around and help me.
Friendly
Let's-
UAV inbound.
No? Okay, I still like you. Yeah. Uh-huh, I'm gonna get in phase after this. Oh, no. Wait. Phase.
You're gonna be on your team
Can
again.
will you,
Hey, vote for
put in
Fendoff.
your
He's probably
clan
gonna trick
tag.
shot on us.
R, if you would join if we invited you.
I like how his contact is Jev.
Dang it! I knew it was gonna happen too!
Shit.
Can you talk to us?
He usually doesn't have a mic.
He has one on. It's just like I think he has.
Hey, it's opposite day, so
Well,
you
put it.
do want to
If
go
you,
with
are you the
right?
real? Are you the real winner?
Yeah, I
Yes, he's
mean,
in our.
Guys, FaZe Rain.
Like, we've been trying to get on part, and we've been like freaking losing with Matthew.
Why don't you have it, Sleep?
Oh, my boy has it at my dad's house. And or his stepdad's
At my
house.
house.
Guys, this is the real FaZe Rain.
Take a picture! Take a picture!
Oh shit. Yo, what?
Oh, it is.
No way.
No, it's not.
No way.
Wait.
It is. Oh no way.
It is.
No, it's
Yeah,
not.
it
is. No
It's
way.
the same
It is.
emblem.
He does have the same.
No, he
name.
doesn't have his. He never has his mic plugged in though.
Hey.
You're right.
Yeah, I don't know.
Holy
Here, take a video of it. I'm gonna scroll through.
Yo, this is crazy. There's no way.
1,000 kills.
Oh my god.
Oh
my god, dude.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's FaZe Rain! Oh my god!
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's FaZe Rain. Whoa.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my! I don't care.
It's probably a hacker. Yeah. Wait, hold on.
It's a hacker.
I know.
We don't know.
I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check. Wait,
Is it a hacker?
Wait.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Wait.
Just
Oh, wait,
2
I don't know
mil.
yet.
Just 2 mil.
I don't know yet.
If you
I don't know
go
yet.
to his,
Wait.
I don't know. Who knows?
Wait, I don't.
Speak.
Wait.
I dare ya.
Okay, it says he has the same name. Blaze Slasher Flame
Yes.
Blue.
Yes, this is
Wait.
gonna be delicious.
I can't wait to kill
If he
shit.
snipes, I swear.
If
we
he's
get
a
smashed.
FaZe Rain, I'm gonna freak out right now.
No way.
We ran into him
again? His face.
Oh my god, we ran into him again.
His face ran again, bro.
Yeah,
You guys are horrible.
Yeah.
The
I have
turtle
the best
though.
emblem.
I like my emblem.
Nah, I have the best emblem.
Oh yeah, look at my emblem and do what it says.
I'm on top of the leaderboards.
And tell me mine's not the coolest emblem.
FaZe Rain's in my game.
Yours is the coolest emblem.
Thank you.
Wait,
Just
No.
saying. I've always
My
liked that
emblem
emblem.
it's kind of like
Press A on my
copy because
emblem.
that's FaZe Rain. Oh, I've been in a lobby with him before. I saw
Oh,
Alright,
yeah.
I got a
FaZe
picture.
Attack, FaZe
It's fine.
Agony, FaZe Apex,
We're
FaZe
trick
Arc,
shotting.
It's fake.
Right.
Parker, FaZe Venge, FaZe
Trick
Rain.
shot.
Yeah,
We're trick
I'm gonna
shotting.
hit
Trick
FaZe
shotter.
Rain, dude.